That's good lighting right here. Blam. Get that. Bam. What up, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. And today, this is making YouTube with RGB lighting. I got 3 lights set up back there, giving off a crazy RGB characteristic to my background. And we're gonna talk about what those sources are, what am I using, and how and why you should use RGB lighting. So let's get into it. Hold on one second, let me grab one. So I got this light, I got this light, and I got this light. All 3 lights combined together equal RGB goodness. Just those 2 alone are my typical uses. Now, what do I have? Right here, I have one of those RGB light setups that you get from IKEA. I don't know the name of it. I just know it has the wire remote and the little strip. On this side, we have a floodlight. Now, this is actually technically an outdoor light, super bright, RGB colors, weather resistant, all that good stuff. I'm just hacking it, using it for my background. Now, you gotta be careful with that one because according to your shutter speed and so forth, you might get a little flicker with that one. So you gotta set your camera accordingly. And it comes with a remote, which is super duper convenient. A1, what more could I ask for? That's my standard background. Now, recently, I got this right here. This is the AndyCine AL-360 RGB. Now, this is portable RGB goodness. And not only does it do RGB, it does typical 5700 Kelvin all the way down to I think 3200 Kelvin. So you can use this as just regular lighting. You can go for your regular light, you could go for your tungsten, and you can get your RGB out of this. Simple as that. This is a great portable light, great portable option. It's one of my newest options. And you can also use it to light your background. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Now, before I show you that, this is AndyCine's monitor mount. This thing is really cool. As you can see, it'll lock into any place you wanna place it. So I love using this with this RGB light because I'm able to hit product shots. I'm able to put it wherever I need it to be, shine it however I need it to get the lighting that I desire. A1, love it. This is a killer duo combo. I'll show you some B-roll footage or some video, as well as some pictures and some product shots so you can see what you can do with colors and just add a different spice and flavor with it. I love it, I enjoy it. Having the versatility of this has taken my creativity of RGB goodness to another level. Now, another thing you can do is you can use this to light your background. I'm gonna show you that right now. I'm gonna turn off the SANSI one. Boom. And even if I wanted to, I could turn this one off. Booyah. Now, that's far away. If I were to put it up closer, RGB goodness in the background, hooking it up. Give me that little nice swag and character to my background. Now let me show you something. So this is the same shot I've been giving you without any RGB character in the background. It still works, it's still cool. I got my background strategically right there, but you can always add more. And that's what RGB does. Bam. So look at the vibe right there. We driving off into the sunset. Got that nice sunset orange for the background. You got the road map, the Cali palm trees. You see the mood I'm going for? You see what I am accomplishing? You didn't even know it. It's subconsciously, it's in your mind. You in Cali right now. It does add character, it does add just fun and creativity to your background shot, product shots, and so forth. There's multiple uses. Get one, grab one, play with it, and see what you can come up with. Simple as that. So I'm working on restructuring this whole making YouTube thing. I wanna not only give you the thoughts towards making YouTube, I also wanna give you physical products, gear, and how you can implement it to, you know, create your scenery and so forth, create your YouTube, like literally. You know what I mean? There's so many different ways you could come at this stuff. So RGB lighting is cool for sit down, talking head shots and product shots and other uses. Now, I wanna give you a thought because, you know, y'all like that. A lot of people who are a fan of the Making YouTube series, they love my thoughts, they love when I get in my brain and talk to you. So what is today's thought tip that I wanna give? So today's thought and tip that I wanna give is networking. Networking is so important. You guys don't even know. I am on Twitter at CJKnowsTECH. Follow me now. Check out how the tech community moves on Twitter. It's amazing, it's great. I've been able to link up with such great creators just via Twitter and Instagram. You know what I mean? Able to talk to them, interact with them, build relationships, just build bridges that I don't wanna burn. You know what I'm saying? Don't burn bridges, trust me. Now, why is networking important? Think about it like this. I read in the book recently, you hang around 5 idiots, you'll be the 6th idiot. You hang around 5 broke people, you'll be the 6th broke people. So hang around 5 great YouTubers and you'll be the 6th great YouTuber. Trust me, it works. So, you know, I'm not talking about running around just clout chasing and so forth. Like, be genuine, be authentic. People know your motives. They can sense your energy. So if your energy is off and all that, adjust it, readjust it, get in the right mind state to be around the right type of people. You want to be around growth friends. You want your friends to help you grow. So help me help you grow. Help you help me grow. You get what I'm saying. Anyways, it's very important to network. It's very important. You can even create mastermind groups, a group of maybe 4 or 5 of you. You guys all bounce, you know what I mean? Grow together, grow friends, KTSE. Keep that same energy this year, baby. So yeah, networking is very important. I can't stress it enough. I got some strategic networking to do in 2019 because I'm trying to take it from here to here. I'm saying, you can't even see. That's how high it is. It's out of frame. That's where we're going, y'all. So smash that sub button right now. This is Making YouTube. I'm in the middle of, you know, reconstruction. I can't even talk today. That's what I'm in the middle of doing. Only if you guys know, this is like my 6th time recording today. I did this video already and I had to re-record it due to some errors. Here's another pro tip. Make sure you check your shot before you go into shooting your content. I shot this video earlier. I had the blinds cracked. They were in my glasses reflecting and it just killed me because I had great content. I had a great performance. And what do I have to do? I have to reshoot it. Now look, don't give up. Persist, persist, persist. That's just, I ain't gonna front. I'm tired of recording. You know what? I'm about to hit this record button and get up out of here. I'm keeping it 1,000 with y'all. I'm done. Anyways, thank you.